Hi, and welcome to another video in our Taking Care of Business series. In this video, I'm going to examine the importance of estate planning, that is, the process of anticipating and arranging for the disposal of a person's estate that they've accumulated throughout their life. Typically, it involves the elimination of uncertainties surrounding the administration of probate and maximising the value of the estate by minimising any taxes and related expenses. Your estate is made up of most things you own, including your house, car, investment property, bank accounts, shares, life insurance policies, and personal possessions. No matter how big or how small, everyone has an estate. You really want to ensure your wishes are carried out, and that means leaving instructions regarding who is to receive your assets, how much and when. Ideally, this should happen with a minimum of fuss, tax and legal costs. These are just the basics of estate planning, and it is an ongoing process over your lifetime that requires review and updates as your family and financial circumstances change. Estate planning is not just for the wealthy, and people tend to defer their estate planning because they think they don't own enough assets or they don't think they're old enough. Others are too busy, while some simply don't understand the process. Unfortunately, all too often, when something happens to them, their families are left to clean up the mess, which complicates an already stressful situation. The good news is, if you don't have an estate plan, the government has one for you. The bad news is that you probably won't like it. For example, if you die without an estate plan, your assets will be distributed according to the probate laws in your state. If you have minor children, the courts will control their inheritance, and if both parents die, the court will appoint a guardian without knowing who you would have chosen. Your will is the cornerstone of your estate plan, but it doesn't avoid probate. Any assets with your name on the title or directed by your will must go through the probate process before they can be distributed to your beneficiaries. This process can become expensive with legal fees and can also take several years. It's vitally important that you plan your estate now. Would your family know where to find your financial records, titles, insurance policies if something happened to you? It's important to leave instructions regarding the location of your records, and in some cases it could be as simple as having a will, life insurance policy and power of attorney in place. You can then develop and expand your estate plan as your needs and financial situations change. Let's face it, nobody likes to think about their own mortality or the possibility of being unable to make decisions for themselves. But this is precisely why you should put a plan in place now and change it later if required. As accountants, we can help you with your estate planning, and we invite you to contact us today to discuss your needs. Until next time.